Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to see how to set up a Raspberry Pi for Wi-Fi using RPi Imager software. Okay, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So friends, suppose if you are on Windows machine, if you are on the Mac OS, or if you are on the Ubuntu machine, you need to first download the RPi Imager software. So visit their website raspberrypi.org and just click on the software and just scroll down. You will see we have here our Raspberry Pi Imager setup file for the Ubuntu, Windows and Mac OS. Just download as per your OS. Okay, so suppose if you are on the Raspbian OS, so you need to run the simple command sudo apt install RPi-Imager, and it will install Raspberry Pi Imager on your Raspbian OS. Okay, so I have already installed the RPi Imager or RPi Imager software on our Raspberry Pi 4 Raspbian OS. Simply go to the menu, go to the accessories, Imager, and just open the Imager software. Okay, so same setting for the Windows or Mac OS or Ubuntu machine. You need to first download the setup file and just install, and then just open the RPi Imager version 1.6.2. so as I told you how to configure the Wi-Fi setup from our Raspberry Pi Imager, it means when you flash the image, in that time we can configure the Wi-Fi setup. It means when we boot first time, we don't need to set up the Wi-Fi configuration. It will automatic set up because we already set up when we flash the image. Okay, so from here open the Imager, and we need to press here Control Shift and X at a time. We need to press here a Control Shift and X from the keyboard, and it will open the windows like this way, advanced options, then image customizations option. If you want to go with the to always use, you can select to always use. If you want to simply go with for this session only, it means it will work this setting only for this session, the one session. So I'm going to select here to always use. Then simply you need to check out this all the options. You need to set the host name. You can set the host name as I set here a Freedom Tech. Simply you need to check mark the enable SSH, because of course we want SSH setup. So you need to first set up the password for our by default user, which is the Pi user. So simply mention the password. Okay, so then so this is what the main thing, as I told you friends, the configure the Wi-Fi. Okay, so simply click on here configure the Wi-Fi, mention your router SSID, mention your router password. Okay, then scroll down, then Wi-Fi country you need to just click on here and choose as per your country. Okay, so I'm going to select here IN, so IN for the India. Then select local setting, automatic set by the country. Okay, so Asia Kolkata, and keyboard layout of course US. Then click on save. Then that's it. Now we have our Wi-Fi configuration ready with the help of Raspberry Pi Imager. Then simply you need to click on choose storage and just flash the image and just insert the card inside your Raspberry Pi 4, and then you will just see that your Wi-Fi connection is set up and you can use the Wi-Fi connection. So this is the way friends, this is another way you can configure the Raspberry Pi for Wi-Fi with the help of Raspberry Pi Imager. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.